Hello students, this is Radhe Syam Yadav. Today I will talk about electric power, and that will be our last point to be discussed in electricity chapter. So now we will see in this electric power what is electric power means, definition of electric power, then SI unit of electric power, then SI unit of electric power is watt. So we will say 1 watt equals to 1 V into 1 ampere, means 1 volt into 1 ampere, then it is 1 watt power. Then we will go for electric energy. That means electric energy is power into time. Practical of power, practical unit of power, that means जो आम भाषा में बोलते हैं वो प्रैक्टिकल यूनिट ऑफ पावर क्या है, 1 हॉर्स पावर इक्वल्स टू 746 वाट. देन वी विल लर्न कमर्शियल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी, मतलब जो कमर्शियल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी का क्या होता है, दैट इज 1 kWh. सो एनर्जी इज मेजर्ड इन किलोवाट आवर. And the last point will be number of units consumed in electrical device. So I will just tell about all these points in brief. Now electrical power is, it is defined as the rate at which electrical energy is consumed. Electrical energy is consumed or dissipated by a device. मीन्स क्या हुआ कि इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी जितना कंज्यूम होगी, कितने समय में कंज्यूम होगी या फिर डिसिपेट होगी, सो दैट विल बी गिविंग अस द इलेक्ट्रिक पावर. सो मतलब यू कैन से द इलेक्ट्रिक पावर इज द rate at which electrical energy is consumed in a given time. Now let us say that electrical energy is V. Now W be the electrical energy consumed in time t, then power will be W upon T. We know that W is R. This can be written as W is VQ upon T, or this can be written as VIT, since Q equals to IT. So we have seen that power is work, electrical energy flowing through a circuit for a time period T, or this can be also equals to VQ upon T, or this can be equals to VIT, means voltage into charge, where Q is IT. So we will get only VI upon VIT upon T. So T से T cancels, so we will get P equals to VI, means the power P is voltage into current flowing through the circuit. So now this I can write here, that is power equals to VI. So power, we have come to know that electrical power in a circuit is the product of voltage into current. That is, this is the product of voltage into current, yeah, volt amperes. So with this we have come to know that electric power is the rate at which electrical energy is consumed or dissipated in a circuit by an electrical device. Now this, let us say that W is the electrical energy consumed in time t. So power will be electrical energy consumed by in time t, then VQ. W is VQ upon T. So equals to V I T. Since Q is IT, so T se T cancels, we get power that is V into I, means volt into ampere. Now SI unit of power is watt. It is measured in terms of watt. So the next question comes about the electrical energy. Electrical energy, that power we have got, that is VI. So if we multiply the power with the time, means for what time this power was consumed, so we will get electric energy. Now practical unit of electrical energy is 1 horsepower equal to 746 watt, which we must remember for the examination point of view, that is 1 horsepower is 746 watt. Then commercial unit of electrical energy, that is 1 kilowatt hour, will be equals to 1000 watt into, here the hour has been converted into seconds, that means 60 into 60. So this will become, since we know that 1 hour equals to 60 into 60 seconds. So this has been converted into, now we will get the 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. So 1 kilowatt hour means 1 kWh equals to 3.6 joule. Then comes the question may be asked on this, the number of units consumed by an electrical device. So to calculate that, the energy consumed by an electrical device will be watt into hour, because we are measuring in watt hour. So watt into hour upon 1000. So since we have seen all these points, now I am going to solve one example from your book that will give you the clear idea about how it is calculated. Now let us say we have been given a circuit diagram. हमको एक सर्किट डायग्राम दिया हुआ है जिसमें दो लैंप लगे हैं, लैंप L1, लैंप L2. L1 लैंप 100 वाट 220 वोल्ट का है, ये रेटिंग है उसकी. L2 इज 60 वाट 220 वोल्ट. सो नाउ वी हैव टू find the current drawn by two lamps at 220 वोल्ट. मतलब कि ये जो दोनों लैंप हैं, अगर इनको वोल्टेज 220 का दिया जा रहा है तो ये इंडिविजुअल, मतलब प्रत्येक लैंप कितने एम्पियर करंट ड्रा करेगा. सो इसको सॉल्व करने का तरीका है, now here we know that power is VI. We have found out electrical power is VI. In this case, P1 is, in this case P1 मतलब power drawn by lamp 1 equals to 100 watts. ये हमको दिया गया है. And P2 means power drawn by lamp 2 is 60 watt. 60 watt. So we will use this formula, that is P equals to VI. So first, to know the power drawn by lamp 1, that is, I will write power drawn by lamp 1 equals to 100 watt divided by 220 volt. This is current drawn by lamp 1 is power of lamp 1, that is P1, upon rating, that is 220 volt. So this becomes 100 upon 220. We will cut it. So this comes out to be 5 upon 11 means 5 by 11. So it will become 0.45 ampere. Now current drawn by lamp L2, that means it will become P2 by V, that is P2 is what? 60 watt upon 2 G. So in this case it is 2 3 is 6, 2 11, that means 3 by 11 R equals to 0.2 0.27 amp. So we have seen that the current drawn in this circuit, that means the current drawn by one consumer, that is L1, means lamp 1, that draws a power of 100 watt. So we have divided P1 100 upon 220. So after calculation we are getting 5 by 11, that means 0.5 ampere. And L2 current run by 60 watt lamps will be P2 upon V, 60 upon 220, that is 3 by 11 or 0.27 ampere. So these are the two currents, these are the current drawn by the two consumers, that is L1 and L2. So in this way we can solve the question. When power is given, voltage given, the current can be solved. Or in many questions you may get current and power, then you can know the voltage also, or the same we can use to know the power also once voltage and current is given. So this is the example, and I hope that I am able to clear some doubts about electrical power, how to it is calculated. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share it. Press the bell icon also. Thank you.